Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Examples of these causes include faults at power stations, damage to electric transmission lines, substations or other parts of the distribution system, a short circuit, cascading failure, fuse or circuit breaker operation. Other critical systems, such as telecommunication, are also required to have emergency power.
Take our lead.
Preventing outages. Manage trees and vegetation near equipment. Trees and vegetation coming in contact with energy equipment is a common natural cause of power outages. Invest in system upgrades and maintenance. You can help.
Let's help you make your mark.
Storms, wind, heat, ice and snow are the most common causes of widespread power outages. 2. Trees. During high winds, or trimming by an untrained professional, limbs can come into contact with power lines and cause interruptions. 3.27 June 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.